Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily log out of your YouTube account on Android, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first things first, let's open our YouTube app here. And all you have to do is click on your profile icon on the top right. Click on Manage Your Google Account. All you have to do is scroll down a bit and then your icon should appear on the top right. Click on that. And then scroll down here if you have a lot of accounts. Find the one where it says manage accounts on this device. Click that. And all you have to do here is click on Google and click on the account that you want to remove. And then on the three dots on the top right, click that and then click on remove account. Warning, doing this will actually remove this account on Gmail and other Google services. But in order to remove it from YouTube as well, you have to remove it for all of Google's apps. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.